Are you ready to leave? I have my jacket on.
Yes, I'm wearing my gray hoodie and shorts.
You look very casual. Are you sure you're warm enough?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm excited for the evening.
Did you take your phone and the keys?
My phone is in my pocket. The keys are on the table.
Perfect. Let's go out. The weather is nice.
I'm listening. Where are we going first?
It's a surprise. Just follow me. This Italian restaurant is so cozy. I love the brick walls.
The light is so warm and relaxing.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. We are still looking at the menus.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course. And for you, miss?
Water for me too.
Everything smells amazing here. I want pasta.
I think I will try the chicken soup.
Great choices. I'll be right back with your drinks.
I think we are lost. Where is the bank?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, please. We are looking for the big bank.
Oh, it's very close. Look where I am pointing.
Past that tall building.
Yes. Go straight and turn left. The bank is right there.
I understand now. Thank you for being so helpful.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Sorry, I just missed the bus.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, but I need bus 42.
It comes in 20 minutes.
20 minutes. That's too long.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the bank on Oak Street.
Oh, I go near there. You can come with me.
Really? That would be amazing. Thank you.
No problem. I stopped 2 blocks away on Maple Street.
That's perfect.
$2, please.
Here you go.
Sit anywhere.
You really saved my morning.
Happy to help. Enjoy your day.